Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, a notification pops up. You've earned money while you were asleep. Your first thought, this is it. This is how the wealthy do it. The truth is, passive income isn't just a dream. It's a reality you can start building today. But here's the catch. Not all passive income investments are created equal. The market is flooded with options, and if you make the wrong choice, you could be setting yourself up for failure. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to choose the best passive income investments for beginners like you. I'll break down the strategies that actually work and help you avoid the common mistakes that can cost you. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the strategies, let's first talk about what passive income really means. We've all heard it before. Earn money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's the truth. Passive income isn't about making money without doing anything. It's about setting up systems that work for you while you focus on other things. The key here is to start small, but think big. Most beginners think you need a ton of money to start generating passive income. But here's the good news. You can start with just $100. Yes, $100, and build from there. The most important thing is patience and consistency. Passive income doesn't happen overnight, but if you build the right foundations today, your future self will thank you. Let's start with dividend stocks, a classic way to earn passive income. So, what's a dividend? It's a payment made by a company to its shareholders, usually a percentage of their earnings. And guess what? You don't need a lot of money to get started. You can buy shares of solid dividend-paying companies with just $100. Imagine this. You buy 10 shares of a company that pays $1 per share in dividends each year. That's $10 right there just for owning the stock. The best part? Reinvest those dividends and over time you'll be able to buy more shares and your dividend payments will grow, compounding your income. But here's the catch. You need to choose the right stocks. Not every company pays consistent dividends. Do your research. Look for well-established companies with a history of paying stable dividends and avoid those that promise high yields but are risky. Real estate has always been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth, but traditionally you needed a lot of money to get started. Enter real estate crowdfunding. With as little as $100, you can invest in real estate projects, from rental properties to large development projects, without the hassle of being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to pool your money with other investors to buy real estate and earn a share of the rental income or profits when the property is sold. It's a passive, hands-off way to earn income from real estate, and it's a great option for beginners. But, like with dividend stocks, choose wisely. Look at the platform's track record, read reviews, and be aware that, like any investment, there's always risk involved. Next up, peer-to-peer lending. Websites like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. You're essentially acting as the bank, but on a smaller scale. Let's say you lend $100 to someone looking to consolidate debt or start a business. You'll earn interest on that loan, typically higher than you'd get from a savings account or bonds. It's a win-win. You help others, and you earn passive income in the process. But here's the catch. Don't just throw your money at random loans. Take the time to review borrowers' credit ratings and loan details. Peer-to-peer lending carries risk, but with careful research, it can be a solid addition to your passive income strategy. One of the best ways to ensure you're building passive income successfully is by automating your investments. Many platforms allow you to set up automatic contributions, so you don't even have to think about it. Whether it's setting up a recurring investment in dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or a robo-advisor, automation ensures you're staying consistent. the key to building wealth. But don't just set it and forget it completely. Review your investments periodically and adjust if necessary. Automation is powerful, but your involvement in your financial journey is essential. Here's where the magic happens. Compounding. The longer you stay invested, the more your money grows. Remember, passive income isn't about making a huge return tomorrow. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. Take your dividends, interest, or rental income and reinvest it. By doing this, you'll earn more passive income with every passing year. As you increase your investment, you'll see your income snowball. This is how the rich get richer, not through luck, but through time and strategy. And the best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You can begin with just $100. It's not about how much you have now, it's about how you grow what you've got. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Now that you know how to choose the best passive income investments for beginners, the next step is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start with what you have and start small. Build a system that works for you and let it grow over time. I've created a more in-depth guide on how to automate your investments and build wealth. Let's keep building that financial future, one smart decision at a time.